it's me again, Florence. Welcome to my kitchen. Now I'm gonna make the cream. I use mascarpone, which is the Italian version of cream cheese, much lighter. So I'm gonna blend 2 sheets of gelatin in cold water. You can break them, you know. And I'm gonna warm up heavy whipping cream and sugar. So I'm just letting dissolve. I don't want the sugar to cook and I don't want the cream to boil. So just warm up a little so they incorporate better. So it's warm enough that I can see the gelatin. So really strain it well with your hand and then it will dissolve to perfection. So the purpose of the gelatin is to hold the cream. It gives harder texture to it. Now I'm gonna beat my mascarpone a little. And now that my mascarpone is a little softer, I'm gonna add the mix of cream, sugar, and gelatin to it. So you can do it in the mixer, but I'm gonna do it by hand. I usually like to finish product by hand just because I feel the texture better. Okay, so mascarpone is a delicate product. You know, it can hurt on you. Sometimes you have to make sure that all the ingredients are at the same room temperature, meaning that the mascarpone and the mix, sugar, cream, and gelatin. If it hurts, no panic. Just put it back a little bit, you know, over bain-marie and just beat it and it will come back to normal. So here we have a pretty one. Okay, we can let it sit for a little bit. My mascarpone cream is perfect and ready to be spread on the bottom, see? I hope you enjoyed baking with me today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Delightful Mrs. Azria. Every Thursday at 6 p.m. we will be dropping a new video and it will be another fabulous recipe. So for now, arrivederci.